Welcome back to Apple Insider, the channel where we break down the world's most talked about tech and tell you whether it's worth your money. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful smartphones Samsung has ever made, a device that redefines what a flagship can be. This is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and if you're thinking about upgrading your phone this year, this might just be the device that changes everything. So let's walk through its major features in keynote style, from design to value, and by the end you'll know if this is the phone for you. Number 1. Design and build quality. The Galaxy S22 Ultra immediately sets itself apart with a design that looks and feels premium the moment you hold it. Samsung has gone for sharp edges, squared corners, and a bold industrial look that feels more like the Galaxy Note line than the S series we've been used to. It is built with an armor aluminum frame that makes it stronger and more resistant to drops, and both the front and back are protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, meaning it can handle scratches and day-to-day wear better than most devices. The phone has an IP68 rating, so it's dustproof and water-resistant, giving you peace of mind in case of an accidental spill or a quick dip. The S Pen, now fully integrated into the chassis, slides smoothly into the body, making it feel like a true professional tool for people who demand more than just a standard smartphone. The finish is matte, resisting fingerprints, and the phone comes in bold colors that make a statement without looking flashy. In your hand, it feels solid, weighty, and balanced, the kind of build quality that tells you instantly this is a top-tier flagship built to last. Number 2. The display. Samsung has always been a leader in smartphone displays, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra raises the bar yet again. You're looking at a massive 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. This means everything from scrolling your social feed to gaming feels buttery smooth and responsive. The resolution is razor sharp, with vivid colors and incredible contrast, making videos, photos, and apps look alive on screen. Samsung has also improved brightness, with peak brightness reaching up to 1750 nits, which makes outdoor visibility exceptional even under direct sunlight. HDR10 Plus support ensures that when you stream content from services like Netflix or YouTube, you get cinema-like clarity with deep blacks and brilliant highlights. The adaptive refresh rate means the phone can automatically switch between 1 Hz and 120 Hz depending on what you're doing, which saves battery life without compromising smoothness. Whether you're reading text, editing photos with the S Pen, or gaming, this display makes everything more immersive and more enjoyable. Number 3. Performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is powered by the latest 4nm processor, which Samsung calls the fastest chip ever in a Galaxy device. Depending on your region, you'll either get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or Samsung's Exynos 2200, both of which deliver incredible speed. Multitasking feels effortless, whether you're running several apps in the background or editing 4K videos on the fly. Gaming performance is top tier, with smooth frame rates even in demanding titles like Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Mobile. Samsung pairs this with up to 12 GB of RAM and storage options up to 1 TB, giving power users all the room they need for heavy apps, media, and files. The phone also stays cool during intensive tasks thanks to an upgraded cooling system, meaning you can push it harder for longer without slowdowns. Everyday use feels lightning fast, apps open instantly, and switching between tasks never feels like a burden. In simple terms, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is a workhorse, designed to handle anything you throw at it with ease. Number 4. The camera. This is where the S22 Ultra truly shines. Samsung has given it a quad camera system that pushes the limits of mobile photography. The main camera is a 108-megapixel sensor that captures stunning detail and vibrant colors in nearly any lighting condition. Night photography, or as Samsung calls it Nightography, has taken a massive leap forward, with larger pixels and advanced processing that deliver bright, clear, and low-noise shots in the dark. You also get 2 telephoto lenses, one offering 3x optical zoom and the other a jaw-dropping 10x optical zoom, allowing you to get incredibly close to your subject without losing detail. Combined with digital enhancements, you can achieve up to 100x space zoom, something no other mainstream phone matches. The ultra-wide camera adds versatility, letting you capture expansive landscapes or group shots with ease. Video recording is equally impressive, supporting up to 8K resolution, with advanced stabilization to keep your footage smooth even when you're on the move. The front-facing 40-megapixel camera produces sharp selfies and crystal-clear video calls, making this phone not just a tool for fun but also for professional creators who rely on consistent quality. With Samsung's AI enhancements, every photo feels polished, whether you're capturing a quick snap or taking time to frame the perfect shot. Number 5. Battery life. Powering this giant is a 5000 mAh battery, designed to last all day and beyond. Thanks to the adaptive refresh rate and efficient processor, the S22 Ultra manages to deliver impressive endurance even with such a bright and powerful display. For most users, you can comfortably get through a full day of heavy usage without worrying about running out of juice. When you do need to recharge, Samsung supports 45W super fast charging, capable of taking the battery from 0 to over 50% in around 20 minutes. You also get wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, allowing you to top up accessories like Galaxy Buds or even a friend's phone just by placing it on the back. Samsung has optimized battery performance with intelligent software that learns your habits and manages power accordingly, ensuring you always have the energy you need when you need it. Number 6. Software and features. The Galaxy S22 Ultra runs on Samsung's One UI on top of Android, offering a clean, customizable, and feature-packed experience. The software is designed with the large screen in mind, giving you advanced multitasking tools like split-screen apps, pop-up windows, and seamless drag and drop using the S Pen. Speaking of the S Pen, it's more advanced than ever, with reduced latency making it feel almost like writing on paper. You can take notes, sketch, annotate documents, and control your phone remotely using Air Actions. Samsung has also committed to long-term software support, promising years of Android updates and security patches, which is crucial for anyone investing in a premium device. Integration with the Galaxy ecosystem is seamless, whether you're connecting to Galaxy Buds, a Galaxy Watch, or even your Windows PC for cross-platform productivity. Features like Samsung DeX let you turn your phone into a desktop-like experience, giving professionals a reason to ditch their laptop for quick tasks. Add in 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, and the latest Bluetooth, and this phone is built to handle the future of connectivity. Number 7. Value for money. There's no denying that the Galaxy S22 Ultra is expensive. It sits at the very top of Samsung's smartphone lineup, and its price tag reflects that. But when you look at what you're getting, it becomes clear that this is more than just a smartphone. It's a productivity tool, a professional-grade camera, a gaming console, and a creative canvas all rolled into one. For those who simply want a phone for social media and texting, this might feel like overkill. But for power users, creatives, and professionals who want the best of everything in one device, the S22 Ultra offers value that few other phones can match. When you factor in Samsung's build quality, years of software support, and the unmatched versatility of the S Pen, it starts to look like an investment rather than just a purchase. It may not be cheap, but it justifies its price by delivering on every promise. So here's the conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is not just another flagship, it is the flagship. It merges the power and heritage of the Galaxy Note with the cutting-edge innovation of the Galaxy S line, creating a device that feels complete in every sense. It's beautiful, durable, and packed with one of the best displays on any smartphone. Its performance leaves no room for doubt, its cameras redefine mobile photography, and its battery life and software experience make it reliable day in and day out. For those who want the ultimate smartphone experience, the S22 Ultra stands as the benchmark. If you want the phone that does it all and does it exceptionally well, look no further. This has been Apple Insider, and if you enjoyed this in-depth review of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and tech breakdowns. Until next time, keep exploring the best in tech with us.